Klipsch Gallery Series. It hangs like a work of art on one wall and tests the structural integrity of the opposite wall. With sleek modern lines and a thin, flat panel profile, they occupy minimal space while leaving an unmistakable impression. The elegant injection molded cabinet has a front baffle that curves on both sides to create not only a highly aesthetic appearance, but also a solid, low-resonance structure. That attention to audio and visual detail carries over to the acoustically invisible grille. At half the thickness of a credit card, sonic quality does not waver with the grille on or off. The exclusive channeled wire management system keeps wiring flush with the rear of the speaker to eliminate visual distractions from your listening experience. As flat screen technology increasingly ignores audio value, Gallery offers a crossover experience that elevates an entire room. In fact, with 3 interchangeable models and signature Tractrix horn technology from Klipsch, Gallery is highly adaptable to any room and whole house sound. The 90x90 Tractrix horn allows each speaker to mount vertically or horizontally, and the detailed 12-step cabinet finishing process achieves a sleek piano black, high-gloss luster that complements any interior setting. The G12, G16, and G28, each named according to its length in inches, all serve as left, center, right, or surround speakers. And the 42-inch G42 delivers a complete left, center, right package crafted into one flawless cabinet. Gallery G17 Air offers a wireless rendition of this instant classic. Complete with an IR remote, this AirPlay-enabled music system simply plugs into a wall and pumps out your playlist. The only question becomes, how does the new Gallery series achieve the depth of sound Klipsch is known for within a flat panel housing? Tweeters with linear travel suspension and redesigned woofers with a larger voice coil in a smaller package team up to produce the power, detail, and emotion you've grown accustomed to from larger Klipsch speakers. Welcome to the Gallery series from Klipsch, with a stealthy profile that will never go unnoticed.